everyone, welcome to a new video. So this is part 3 of the craft cabin makeover little mini series. So I thought I'd just pop on quickly and show you what it's looking like at the moment. So as you can see, I've put everything back on the shelves over here after I painted it yesterday. So I've tried to spread them out a little bit more so you can see things a bit better and stuff like that. So let's take a closer look. The sun is blazing in this morning, but so the top 3 from this side is Halloween, just a few Halloween bits and pieces. That's not all of the Halloween stuff. And then over the far side there's some more like pinky bits, and then it goes like a nice pink row with different bits and pieces. So just give you a close-up of some of the bits and pieces, strawberry bits, and so yeah, I'm just trying to fill out these more with some of the handmade goodies from swaps and things, or things that I've made myself, because I did think a couple of the shelves were a little bit too crammed, and I will be moving those down at the bottom once the new units are in on the other side. But yeah, so that's how they're looking now with the pink behind, which I do think does look better. It really does make those white shelves pop, and it really makes them stand out better than just white on white. So that's those. I have filled in those holes over there. I just need to sand it smooth and then get a little tester pot of that colour just to cover it over. But yeah, so that's those covered back in. And then, as I said, it'll just be ordering the new units from IKEA, the KALLAX units, and then getting those built and put in. And then I can start sorting all of that stuff, etc., all the stuff in that bit, in those 4, and just getting it together. But yeah, thought I'd just quickly pop on again and show you how it is looking now. So it's, try not to go too fast and make you dizzy. So over this side you can see is a lot more tidier now and sorted out. But yeah, still got a few shelves that I can fit stuff in. But yeah, I really do like that colour actually. I think it's really made quite a big difference, but in a nice way. Like, it really does make the white furniture really stand out more. But yeah, so that is just another little update, guys. The next one will be, as I said, when I get the units from IKEA, which will probably be later next week. Well, it will be later next week, yeah. But yeah, I hope you liking how it's looking. Let me know in the comments if you like the colour and if you think it looks better and things like that. But yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafty videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.